Maybe not mine, but Bruce's looks better.
Okay, so I sharpened my chain so that I could cut ice, and how I did it was I ground off all the rakers, ground them off, then went on each side and cut off every other tooth. This one's gone, this one's gone. And went to the other side, cut off every other, that one, this one. Now let's start up, see how it goes.
Okay. Your protection. Uh-oh.
That's a Husqvarna for you. They never start. Pulls later, maybe. Should have bought a steel, Bruce. They start with second pull.
Feels really goopy.
Poor little Husqvarna.
Find one of these at your local yard sale. Cheap to free.
Nice ice fishing haul.
Or sauna.
Woot woot.
Take a swim.
Here we go.